guys, so today I'm going to be doing this video is going to be a long process, so when you see this it's probably going to be like a month later, but I'm in the process of redoing my room. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like before and during the process, because I'm going to be painting it. I'm getting new furniture, redecorating, putting things on the walls, shelves, all of that stuff. So I'm going to show you what my room looks like right now. It's a hot mess. You see this? You already see this color. This color is no. So I am going to show you what this room looks like. You see this? This pink is not what's up, yo. But we already bought some paint, and we're gonna be painting this pretty soon. So yeah. Well, this is what my room looks like right now. This is Bellita. Hi, Bellita. But yeah, my bed is on the floor because I sold my furniture so I can get like just Ikea stuff. Like you see this desk right here. I already got a side table. I don't know if I'm gonna need another one, but I'm gonna get the bed frame from Ikea. Like, this is just, I don't have anywhere to store my stuff, so this is what's going on right now. This is like the semi-cute thing that's going on in my room right now. I think I'm gonna like keep this, like when I redo it, it's gonna stay like that. But got the tripod, the blind, I mean, yeah, those things broke, so I don't even have blinds. Yeah, so this is what my room is like right now. It's a hot mess. So I'm going to update you guys on what's going on. Like, I still have a lot of stuff in the living room. You want to see this? But this is just some of the things that I brought back from my apartment. I still have stuff more in my apartment. I mean, it's no longer my apartment because somebody still lives it, but this is a lot to fit in my room. So that's gonna be the challenge. It's a lot of stuff that I need to like get into this room, and there's not enough space. But with my organization that I'm gonna try to be doing, hopefully it fits. Otherwise, don't know what I'm gonna do. But so yeah, I'm done for right now, and the next clip you're gonna see is probably me painting my room. So see ya. So this is my room. It's in process. We still have to do the second coat. Hey, niña, no. Allá. Corre para allá, corre. Anyways, sorry. Yeah, so this is my room right now. Show you where you can see. Hey, so my room's painted. I'm sorry I look horrible, but it's whatever. Who cares? Anyways, now me and my mom were building this Ikea nightstand. It's called the Brimness. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Brimnes, the Brimness nightstand, and I'm gonna show you. And this is it right here. I don't know if there's a picture of what it's supposed to look like, but you can see the final product later. It has like a clear thing here. I like this part. My mom's helping me put it together because I suck at these things. But this is my...
Yeah. It's a little difficult.
It is hard. I'm trying to look at videos, but yo, this stuff is not easy. So we're putting my bed together.
Good job, Jay.
Lee boyfriend.
Hey,
Lee mom.
Ha ha!
Oh wow. That
Yes,
was fast.
you did. Very good.
Get you a man to help you, cause.
Oh my goodness.
Oops.
I know, right?
Hey, put in that work. Hey, put in that work. Hey, put in that work. Hey.
Oops.
But.
We need the other two pieces.
What? For this? Oh, for
No.
this.
And
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay, hello people.
it wasn't recording at all this whole time?
No, because I have limited memory.
You said what?
I have limited memory.
See this?
I'm talking about like this.
No one's gonna see that.
So still.
It's gonna be on the inside.
So
I'm gonna scratch it.
don't scratch
What
it.
you gonna do to me?
I'm gonna hit you with this.
Be cool.
Chill. You're like, so be cool, babe.
That fart.
Fart.
Oh, we gotta use these little wood pieces? Is that what that shit is?
Yes, it's wood pieces, these things. It's like pegs.
Yeah. Alright, so for this one, we're gonna put it in.
I look a complete mess, I know, but I just want to come here and say that finally my bed was put together. It took so long, like it took like 4 hours to put it together. It was a little bit complicated, but we figured it out. You know, Ikea with the picture directions. But I'm gonna show you like what my bed looks like, and the next clip I really want to show you guys like the end result of my room. But right now my room's not looking the best to be shown on camera. But if you guys want me to make another video of how my room looks at the end, I can definitely make that. Like, for example, like I can show you guys like my final bed, like, oh, it's finally done. But then another video I can be like room tour, so this is like my new room. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because it's gonna take me a little while to do a full-on room tour. But I just want to show you guys my bed for today, and then I'm just gonna end this video. I just wanted you guys to see like the process of like from pink walls to white to what it looks like now. It's not all the way done, so that's why I don't want to do a room tour just yet, but it's going to happen and it's gonna come out soon. So this is what my bed looks like now. I forgot what the name of the bed frame is, but now I have room like to put stuff under my bed. Like I just put my Fila's down there, but the headboard is like, it's like this, and this is what it looks like when you walk in my room. This is what it looks like. I really love this bed frame, so it is lit. Sorry for the messiness. I got a boxer of clothes I need to take pictures of for a company. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the messiness, but anyways, hasta luego, muchos besos.